Hi there, I'm Renette Legase of Net Bookkeeping and author of The Courageous Entrepreneur. I'm here today to ask and talk to you about what the biggest issue that businesses have struggled with this past year. Most of you, I'm sure, have had this struggle in the past or currently having it, but it has been a monumental year for cash flow issues. And regardless of the reason or your industry, everyone has struggled with it at one time or another in a business. You are not alone. This is the biggest struggle that every business has gone through at one point or another. Now, what are you doing to help with your cash flow? In other words, do you have money in your account to pay the bills? Do you know how much money you need to have in your account every month to cover your payroll, your rent, all those extra expenses, whether it's disposal fees or office expenses, utilities, advertising, all those things? And you shouldn't let go of certain things. Absolutely. Can you look at changing or reducing the costs in the meantime? What things have you done to help that along? This is what I cover and talk about in my book, as well as in the course that I've put together, From Courageous to Successful, that's happening very soon. There'll be notes below about when the next course is. But it talks about what we can do before we run into the cash flow issue. And if we are in that cash flow crunch, what can we do to help it along? What options are there out there? Now, one of the scariest things that I see happening is that some business owners have gone to, say, a company which some people would call a loan shark, where they're paying a ridiculous amount of interest on the money so that they can keep their employees employed, that they can keep the doors open. That creates a negative situation where the ball starts rolling in the wrong direction, where you're not able to pay your bills, where it's a struggle. What do you want to do differently? How can you do it differently? What are your options? I'm hoping that with this course, that at the very least, I can show you ways to save money in your current business today. Little steps, some key tips to look for, and that's just one of the main issues that we talk about in this course. So if you'd like to take part or ask questions or have any comments about it, please put it in the comments below or private message me, and I'm happy to answer your questions. Have a great day.